So now we're going to talk about the two basic angles. We have 90s and 45s. 90s are what points out the widest point of the head. Now we're talking it on the head shape, right? Not our finger angle, not our elevation. So on the head shape, 90s are from front to back, side to side. They point out the widest part of the head. Then you go into the distance between the two 90s. I love to have everyone look at the top of the head shape so that you can see, think of it as a pie. You cut the pie in fours, and 45 is the distance between the two 90s. So you shoot an azimuth from the center of the eye into the opposite corner. Those will be your 45s, and I'll demonstrate that for you. So that's like taking 4 pieces of pie and now making it 8. You're subdividing the 4 sections. The reason I want to point this out is this is where you want to start getting into the discipline of understanding when you shoot the azimuths across, you're getting into the corners. So what that means is the 90s point out the widest part of the head, and the 45s point out the distance between the two 90s, which is going to be your corners. So with that in mind, you want to know when you're in the back section and you're getting into your corners versus getting into the side. These are things that we want to keep having a conversation about, and eventually you're going to own it because you're going to be doing it. So right now I'm talking about it and you're going to be doing it, and when you do it, then you're going to start, it's going to start making sense what this is versus what this is.